Sejna and today I'm going to present our project which is learning behavior. Our project title is Data Driven Retail Inventory Optimization. So this project is done by our team members Ashok Rachan, Lakshman DC, myself and Maheshwari as well, under the guidance of Ms. Pooja S. Murali. Now let me take you through our project. So this presentation is structured as follows: introduction, system design and architecture, tools and technologies, development progress, implementation, estimate validation, design and analysis, conclusion and the future. So first I will begin with the introduction. The retail industry generates a large amount of sales data every day. This data contains useful insights about the customer behavior and the product performance. However, raw data is difficult. ಶೀತ ಆಗೈತಾ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
ನಿನಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ?
ಬುಸ್ ಬುಸ್ ಅನ್ನಕತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ನಾನಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೆ.
ಓಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿನ್ ರೀಡ ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾ?
ಅದ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಂದೆ. ತಡಿ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕಳ್ಸಿಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮಿಗೆ?
ಓಯ್ ಚಿಂಚು,
ಹಾ
ನಿಂಗ್ ತಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಹಾಕು.
ಹ್ಮ್
ಪಪ್ಪಿ
ಹೇಳ.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗೊಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಜೆಡ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇರೋದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾನ ಅಂತ ನೋಡು.
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ. ಮಾಮಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹೇಳು.
ಪೂಜಾ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೂಜೆ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡ್ತಕತ್ತಿ. ಹೆಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಜೀನ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಂದೇನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೈತ? ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೈತೆ.
ಮಾಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರು.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡದ?
ತಡಿ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ರೀಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಒಂದ್ 4 ಜನ. ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ, ಮೌನೇಶ್ವರಿ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಸಿಂಚನ.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಇದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹರ್ಷಿತನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದು ರೀಡೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಅವರು.
ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Good evening. I am Sinchana, and today I am presenting our project-based learning review 2 on the topic data-driven retail inventory. This project focuses on the how retail business and can use their daily sales data to improve the inventory management, reduce losses, and make smarter decisions. So in this today's world, business generate a huge amount of data, but the real challenge is converting the data into the useful insights. Our project mainly addresses this problem. So contents. Our presentation mainly covers the introduction, system design and architecture, tools and technologies, development program and implementation, testing and validation, result analysis, and the conclusion and future work. So introduction. The retail industry generates a large amount of sales data every single day. This data includes the information about the products, customer, purchase time, and the sales amount. This data is very valuable because it helps us to understand the customer buying behavior, product performance, and the sales trends. However, raw data is not easy to understand directly without a proper analysis. Businesses cannot use it efficiently. So, the main aim of our project is to analyze the retail sales data, extract the meaningful insights, and identify the patterns and the trends, support a better decision making. By doing this, businesses can also avoid the overstocking, like not too much inventory, prevent the stockouts, running out of stocks, so improve efficiency, increase the profit. Next, dataset explanation. So in our project, we use the dataset containing the 1,000 transaction and the 17 different columns, data collected from the 3 different cities and the 6 different product categories. Time period is from the January to March 2019. This dataset gives a very good representation of the retail operation and helps in performing the meaningful analysis. So system design and the architecture. Our system is designed using the pipeline based architecture. This means the data flow through the multiple stages, step by step. Each stage perform a specific task to transform raw data into a useful insights. First, data source layer. The first stage is the data source layer, where we can take the data set like a supermarket sales.csv. This data set contains all the raw sales records which act as an input to the system. Data pre-processing layer. In this stage, we will prepare the data for the analysis. We perform data cleaning, like removing missing or incorrect values. Data type conversion, like the converting strings to dates or numbers. Features engineering, creating new useful columns. Filtering irrelevant or the inconsistent data. This step is very important because when the because cleaning data leads to accurate results. Analysis layer, that is EDA. Next, we perform the exploratory data analysis. In this stage, we use the charts and the graph, analyze sales patterns, understand the customer behavior. For example, which product category sells the most, in which cities the higher sales is, at what time sales is maximum. This helps in identifying the hidden patterns in the data. And the next is processing and the modeling layer. After analysis, we will move to the modeling and the calculation. Forecasting, we will use the profit model to predict the future sales trends based on the historical data. It helps us to understand the future demand on the weekly and the yearly basis. Inventory calculation, like we calculate the safety stock, like extra stock to avoid the shortages. Reorder point, that is ROP, when the reorder. Next, economic order quality, that is EOQ, how much to order. These calculations are very useful to inventory management. Next is evolution layer. Evolution layer, after building the models, we will check their accuracy using MAE, RMSE, and MAPE. This ensures that our predictions are reliable. Next is the decision making. Based on the analysis and the prediction, we will classify products at risk levels, high, medium, or low. Provide the recommendations for the inventory. This helps the business take proper actions. Next is presentation layer. Harshita, ಅದೇ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Finally, presentation layer. All the outputs are displayed in a dashboard, that is KPI cards, filters, and the visual reports. This makes it easy for the users to understand the insights and make the decisions. Next is flow chart. This is very important. This flow chart shows the complete working of our system in a visual form. The process starts from the data source.
Sanjana?
Ma'am?
Can you present it in the presentation mode? Why? Because letters are not visible clearly in the image. So make it as a full screen. Yeah.
Back.
the process starts from the data source where we load the data set, then it moves to the data pre-processing where the data is cleaner and the prepared. After that, we will perform the exploratory data analysis where we analyze the pattern using the multiple charts. Next, we will check whether a meaningful patterns are found or not. If no, we will go back and improve the data pre-processing or analysis. If yes, the system continues to the next stage. So two parallel paths. The left side forecasting path, that is, we will apply the profit model, evaluate the accuracy using the MAE, RMSC, and the MAPE. So generate demand forecast for the future, like 7 to 90 days. From the right side inventory path, perform the inventory calculation for safety stock and the ROP and the EOQ. Classify the risk levels and generate the inventory recommendation. So both outputs are combined into the retail dashboard where insights are displayed, filters and KPI cards are used. Finally, the system produces smart business insights, helping in better decision making. So, overall, our system converts raw detailed data into meaningful insights and helps business manage inventory efficiently using the data driven techniques. So, next will be continued by Hashita.
Next slide.
Moneshwari, can you turn on your camera? Yes, continue.
Tools and technologies. Tools used. Jupyter Notebook. It is used for data cleaning and pre-processing, performing EDA, that is exploratory data analysis, visualizing trends using charts. It is ideal for step-by-step analysis and experimentation. And VS Code. VS Code it is used for writing and managing project code, organizing files and scripts, running the application. It helps in structure development and debugging. Excel. It is used for storing raw retail data, importing, exporting data sets. It acts as a base data source. And the next comes is Retail Queue Dashboard. It is used for presentation insights in a visual format, allowing user interaction through filters and tabs. This is the final output interface for the users. Technologies used, that is Python, main programming language used for data processing, analysis, and model building. Next is Pandas. It is used for data cleaning, handling missing values, transforming data sets. Core library for data manipulation, NumPy. It is used for mathematical operations, handling arrays and numerical computations. Matplotlib. It is used for data visualization, creating charts like bar plots, line graphs, and edge maps. Helps in understanding patterns visually. Propet. It is developed by Meta Platforms. It is used for time series forecasting, handling seasonalities like weekly, yearly trends. It is a simple and powerful forecasting model. Development process. Next slide. Phase 1, that is data collection and EDA. We collect data, retail data sets, clean, missing, and inconsistency data, and created 25 plus charts. Our goal is to understand the data set deeply. Phase 2, dashboard UI. Build 10 interactive tabs, added filters like city, product, gender, and created KPI cards. Our goal is to make insights easily accessible. Phase 3 is forecasting. Use profit model, evaluated missing uh, evaluated using MAE, that is mean absolute error, RMAC, that is root mean square error, MAPE, that is mean absolute percentage error. Our goal is to predict future and sales accurately. Inventory engine, that is phase 4. Implement stock management formulas, calculated safety stocks, reordered point, and economic order quantity. Our goal is to avoid stockouts and overstocking. Phase 5 is testing and deployment. Testing dashboard features, adding themes, toggle, preparing for final deployment. Our current status is in progress. Implementation. Next, next. Dashboard features 10 clickable tabs, no scrolling needed, and 6 filters city, product, gender, customer type, payment, date. KPI cards like revenue, unit sold, transaction, average basket size, rating, gross income. This gives a quick business overview. EDA section chart organized from A to Z, that is product performance, city-wise sales, customer segmentation, payment trends, rating analysis. This helps identify patterns and trends. Forecasting, weekly plus yearly seasonality applied. Change point scale like we can control that is flexible 0.05 like that. Forecast horizon that is 7 to 90 days. Confidence intervals include. This helps business plan future demand. Inventory engine. Safety stock SS is equals to Z dot sigma root of LT. This prevents stockouts during uncertainty. Reordered point that is ROP. ROP equals to D dot LT plus SS, that is when the reordered stock is coming. And economic order quantity that is root of 2 ds by h, optimal order size to minimize cost. Risk classification like high, medium, low helps prioritize inventory decision. This project successfully combined data analytics, forecasting, inventory optimization to create a complete retail decision support system. It helps business makes data-driven decisions, improve sales forecasting, and optimize stock management. Next will be continued by Mauneshwari.
Good evening, ma'am. My slide is forecasting accuracy testing. This slide shows how we tested this slide. Sales forecasting model accuracy. MA means absolute error. Value is a 42.8, which is means the average prediction error is low. R RMSA root means secure error. Value is 80. 58.73 showing that the model prediction are close the actual sales value. MAPE means absolute presenting percentage of error is 14.2 percentage, which indicates good prediction accuracy. The overall forecasting accuracy is a 85.8 percentage, which is above the industrial standard and considered the reliable for witnessing decision making. Testing method for model testing 70% for the dataset was used for training, 30% of the dataset was used for testing. Next slide. This slide show the testing result of all major models in our project. We tested each functionality split is ensured the system work currently. Data loading verified that the dataset is imported properly. Filter bar checked whether user can filter data currently. EAD charts tested charts generation and visualization outputs. Appropriate model validated in the forecasting model prediction. Inventory calculation confirm, confirmed stock collection or accurate. In toggle tested switching between light and dark themes, all models passed successfully, which means the application is stable and functioning and unexpected. The data loading model, the dataset was loaded successfully without any missing errors. The filter and dashboard model, all filters like months, products, and category are working properly. Charts are graphics are sorry, displaying current value dynamically. Forecasting model we use the uh, machine learning model of future sales prediction. The model successfully predicts the future sales trends based on historically data. Uh, Inventory management, the system automatically calculates stock level and identify the low stocks product accurately. Use interface testing dark mode and light mode since travel are working smoothly and improve user experience. After testing all modules, we found, the, found data the entire system work efficiently without major errors.
I am Lakshmi. Here I am explaining model testing. Previous slide. In this phase, we perform detailed testing of all major modules to ensure the system work correctly and reliably. First, data loading. Data loading model. Here our project passes the data loading model. This model is responsible for importing and pre-processing the dataset. It ensures the data is clean, properly formulated, and ready for analysis. Any inconsistencies such as missing values or incorrect formats are handled here. Next will be filter bar. Filter bar models. This features allows users to interact dynamically with the dashboard. Users can filter data based on multiple conditions like data range, city, product, category, and customer type. This enhances usability and enables customized insights. Next will be EDA chart. Exploratory data analysis charts help in understanding patterns, trends, and relationships within the data. These visualizations include bar charts, line graphs, and distributed plots, which provides meaningful insights into sales and customers' behavior. Next will be forecasting model, Profit model. This model uses a time series forecasting model to predict future sales. It helps business anticipate demand and make data-driven decisions. Inventory calculation model. This compute calculated key inventory metrics such as safety stock, reorder point, economic order quantity. These calculation helps maintain optimal stock levels and avoid shortage or overstocking. Theme logic model. A user interface enhance that allows switching between dark and light mode for better user experience. Next will be results. Here is our result. I will be showing our. This is our result consists of the data ranges from the January to the March of 2019 dataset, and cities having three cities, and the product line having many types of products like electronic, healthcare, and gender will be female and male, customer type and payment having a three types of payment mode like cash, credit, or e-wallet, and it is showing the 30 days forecasting model. These are the total revenue items, total units sold, and the transactions, and average rating, grossing one. I will be sharing our dashboard. This is our code of the project, and we have to run it in the Streamlit Run app. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay.
Code is visible.
Output is not showing.
While you are presenting your screen, you have to choose full screen or entire screen to share your screen. Then only your website will be visible.
Here is our website. It is consist of the dataset from the January to March of 2019 data, and it is having the cities like Mandai, Nayar, Berg, and Angkor. We
Lakshmi,
are having.
can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
hide this meeting screen?
Ma'am, if I enter entire screen, it will show meetings also.
No, you can just drag it, pull it down.
Okay.
Try to pull the screen down. That's it. After sharing. Yes, now go to your website, I will say.
It is having genders like female and male, customer type,
Just
and
a
the
minute. Just a minute. There is a cross button, right? You can click there. It will be there. Meeting will be there. Not there. In the meeting. Meeting. Top side. There's a cross button, right? Above EDI. Beside. Beside. Click it. You can. You can continue.
customer type, and the payments like cash, credit, and e-wallet. We have the forecasting days like from 7 days to 90 days. We can click it. It will show according to that. And we have a key performance like total revenue, units sold, transactions, average rating, gross income. We can select the product line cities also. If we want, we can select all, or we want to cancel it, means we will see the one city or two cities product lines also same. Next, we have different types of options like product line, cities, customers, payments, trends, rating, forecasting, inventory, insights, data explore. Which options we click means that shows that it shows the revenue of the product, different types of product like electric accessories, fashion accessories, food and beverages, health and beauty, home and lifestyle, transport, sports and travels. Like it is unit of product which sold in that particular time that will be shown in this graph. It shows the average customers rating, which the customers gives the rating according to that graph will be shown, and it is a transactions. How much transaction will be done for the how much product that will be shown in this chart. Next, it will the revenue and the quantity combo. It will show the revenue, and this line chart will show the combo of the quantity of the items. Next will be cities. It is shown according to the cities. According to the cities revenue of the cities, it is unit items sold by the cities. It is the average rating of the city, and it is next the product according to the these are all the cities. These are all the product according to that cities. Next will be the monthly revenue. Monthly revenue of the three cities will be shown by this. Next, customer type. There will be two types of customers like female and male. They show how much revenue splits, average rating, revenue split, and unit items sold by the different types of members like normal members and the members and the normal type of customers. Electronic items which are purchased by the female and the male, fashion items, different type of product can be graph shown here. Next will be payments. There are three types of payments like cash, e-wallet, and credit card. Which payment method can be done on which percentage can be shown here. Revenue by the payment method. Next will be transaction by the payment. Next will be payment preferred by the city. Here is the payment method and the product line. Revenue stock of the items. Next will be trends. Trends consist of the monthly revenues and the revenue by it is monthly revenue, and it is revenue by the hour of the peaking time of the products. Next will be it is daily revenue of the items. It is monthly, it is hourly, and that is daily. Next will be rating. According to the rating, the graph will be shown. It is rating score distribution. This is average rating by the city. This is average rating by the payment. Next will be average rating per product. This will be the rating versus revenue of the scalar analysis. Next will be forecasting of our system. It shows the middle accuracy matrix, RMSE, MAPE, and accuracy. This graph will be shown, it is the previous data's graph, and it will be our future forecasting model. It has some issues we have to clear in the further stages. Next will be inventory. It shows how much product will be sale in that particular time, and the risk of the items, like if the item is in the medium risk or high risk or the low risk, that will be shown here. Next will be insights. What are all the insights of the items that will be shown? If demand forecasting is there, or the stock alert will be given to the product manager. Revenue opportunities, product strategies, customer reputation, operation efficiency, payment optimization, model performance, all are given in this. Next will be data explorer. It is consist of the data set which is from the 2019 January to the 2019 March. In the further time, we will make the CSV file to add in this, and according to the CSV file, the output will be given.
That means you are going to develop a website for to upload their CSV files and try to give a business analytics based on that CSV file, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Continue.
That's it.
slide. Conclusion. Conclusion. What we achieved means developed a comprehensive analytic dashboard. It includes 10 different tabs, more than a 25 visual charts, real-time filtering capacity, build a high-performance forecasting model, achieved 85.8% accuracy, exceeded the typically industry benchmark of 80%, implemented a robust inventory management system, safety stock calculation ensures buffer inventory, reorder point help determine when the restock. EOQ minimizes total inventory cost. Created dynamic business insights cards, 8 key insights cards generated from live data. Help in quick decision making. Designed a professional and user friendly interface. Includes both dark and light themes. Improves accessibility and usability. Overall, the project successfully integrates data analysis, forecasting, and inventory optimization into a single platform. Future work enhancement. CSV upload feature. First, we make a CSV file uploading features like allow users to upload their own dataset so the system can generate insights dynamically. Advanced forecasting models. Integrate models like LSTM and RIMA to improve prediction accuracy and handle complex patterns. External data integration. Include factors like holidays and promotions to enhance forecasting performance. SKU levels analysis. Provide detailed insights at the individual product level instead of just category level analysis. Automated alerts. Implement notification system, email or the SMS to alert users about stock shortage or anomalies. Live POS integration. Connect with real-time sales systems for continuous data updates and forecasting. Mobile friendly design. Optimize the interface for mobile devices to support on ground staff. The project demonstrates how data analytic forecasting and inventory optimization can be integrated into a single intelligent system. It is not only provides real-time insights but also enables proactive decision making, making it highly valuable for modern business environments. Thank you.
As of now, you have not developed the model to predict the future stocks, right?
No, ma'am, it is not fully developed.
You are going to work on it in the future days.
Yes, ma'am.
You can, everyone should explain for the answer for this question. What are the insights did you got from this project? Start from Harshita, or else anyone can start.
Key revenue and the sales performance insights. The dashboard shows how that business generated 3.2 lakh plus revenue from the thousand of transaction with an average transaction value of rupees 323, ma'am. Insights like revenue is consistent, but the average transaction value is moderated, indicating an opportunity to increase sales through upscaling or combine the offers. Also, customer behavior insights,
Okay.
city-wise sales distribution.
Okay. Anyone else want to add some points to this?
Ma'am, we identified the sales trends, the product performance, customer behavior, and the city-wise demand. We also predicted the future sales and the optimized inventory using the safety stock and the reorder point, which helps in the reduces the losses and improve efficiency. So that it helps in the transform the raw sales data into the actionable decisions, especially for the improving the inventory management and the business performance.
Okay, Harshita, do
In
you
our
want to add some points?
in our project, we developed insights related to sales trends, product performance, and customer behavior, and payment issues. We are also generating forecasting insight for future demand and inventory insights like safety stock and reorder levels to support the better business decisions.
Mauneshwari? Mauneshwari?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to add some point or something?
When the teachers face difficulty is the prediction, future sales, and the inventory problem. and use a forecasting method or current sensing and after institute it is
Sorry, Moneshwari, your voice is not so clear. Can anyone explain what you mean by EDA? Exploratory data analysis. What do you mean by that?
EDA is the process of analyzing and visualizing data to understand its main character before building the models. In this project, we use EDA for the bar charts, line charts, and distribution to explore sales data, identify sales trends over time, analyze customer behavior, city-wise, product-wise, and the performance, detected patterns, relationship, and possible outliners. EDA helped in understanding the data clearly and provide a strong foundation for forecasting and decision making.
Okay. Can a non-technical user easily use your website and try to understand the analysis of the previously sold products and all?
Yes, ma'am. It is a
Yes,
user
ma'am. As
friendly
website.
and can be used by anyone.
Okay. Can your system persist with a large amount of data set like 10,000, 20,000 of amount of data set?
For now, we build for the thousand of the dataset. For
We
further,
will
we
explain.
can build up to 10,000.
Okay. Okay. Is there any limit of the file size to upload? Not yet, right?
Like,
No.
no, ma'am. Like CSV file, we have not added yet.
Okay, okay. Have you faced any challenges during the development?
Yes, ma'am. Like that is not coming in alphabetical order or something like graph issues.
Mm.
It is very difficult as to forecasting the future predictions.
Okay, you are still facing the issue, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's it from my end. Do you have any doubts? Do you people have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No.
Or need any some clarity or something?
If we upload
Ma'am,
the
is there any ma'am, is there any area in our project where we can improve further?
I guess you people have implemented the charts, right? For one particular chart, like you have implemented for only bar chart. Some of them are only for pie chart. Correct.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if what if the user wants to display the bar chart in terms of pie chart? For that, you can add options.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can try to add those options, whole options like bar chart, pie chart, what are the different charts are available.
Yes, ma'am.
You can add those as a options so that user will be very easily they can easily understand based on their understanding. If people have understanding only on the bar chart, they can easily understand that.
Okay. We
Okay.
will do that, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.